AutoCAD Drafting Part 2, Section 5, Drawing Convention, Lecture 43, Materials and Breaks. If you refer any drawing technique books, the material and its standard convention, the hatch patterns, can be found. And here, I have attached this document as a PDF file under the resources section in this lecture. So we know this convention, the hatch pattern, represents the material. So this hatch pattern can be applied to various views. The same material can be viewed in the floor plan or in the elevation or in the section cut. According to these views, the convention, the hatch pattern, varies for the same material. For example, the brick, the diagonal lines represents the brick. But in the elevation, this is the convention and it is same as plan view in the section. And the stone, plan, elevation and section, the patterns are different. So if I scroll, concrete, it is same in every way. Then we have earth, plan and elevation, there is none, but in the section we have a hatch pattern. And glass, we can see in the elevation this is the pattern. And insulation, same as section. So the plan and the section are same. So what is insulation first? If I get into the wall, there are two types of wall. One is the solid wall, the other one is cavity wall. So we'll see what is the difference between solid and cavity wall. Say, this is a solid wall, there's nothing inside, but in the cavity wall there's a cavity inside. That's a two layers of the wall. The double layer of the wall, solid wall, is used with a cavity, and the cavity is filled with some insulation material. This insulation material will insulate against sound or else heat. So that basic understanding enough at this level if you are a basic level of student. But I recommend you to learn further in construction technology. In future, I'll update a detailed series of course on construction technology. Anyhow, for the time being, coming to the cavity wall. So this is the cavity wall. Here we can see there's an image, two layers of wall, and in the mid we can find insulation material. And yeah, we can find some real-time photograph here. See, that is the cavity wall, and in between the cavity wall this is insulation material. So this insulation material in the drawing we can see like this. Then there are types of insulation material, loose fill and the board. So that is construction technology. And further we have plaster, structural steel, sheet metal finishing, tiles, porous fill, plywood and so on. So download this PDF file and then you can go through. Okay, that's about the materials. Then we can get into the breaks. Breaks in the sense long members of uniform cross section such as rod, shaft, pipes and so on. Here in the drawing in the mid, conventional breaks should be shown, because in a drawing sheet we cannot draw the complete long length of pipe, so it has to be broken at the mid according to the sheet or the view size. So here we can see the rectangular section, so that's a solid section, and this is a round section. And if it is a tubular or a pipe, so there are two ways of representing the break. And this is a wooden, this is a wood, and like roll section like steel I-beams, and channel sections, or we can say this is a U type of section. Okay, these examples are more related to mechanical, and regarding the architectural break lines at the time of drafting we'll discuss. Okay, that's all about the materials and breaks. We'll continue to the next lecture.